Ever wondered how Taylor Swift maintains her radiant health and beauty? Well, we've got the scoop for you. Let's step into the world of this megastar and explore her secret to a balanced lifestyle. From regular cardio routines to disciplined gym sessions, Taylor combines exercise with a meticulously planned diet. She believes in healthy eating throughout the week, with a little room for indulgence on the weekends. So, buckle up as we delve into Taylor's world of health and wellness. Taylor Swift's day is a fine balance between work, fitness, and self-care. Her day begins with the first light of dawn. Early morning is Taylor's dedicated time for exercise, an essential part of her daily routine. She loves to mix it up, sometimes opting for a brisk run under the fresh morning sky, other times choosing a vigorous gym session. Cardio workouts are a favorite, their rhythm and intensity mirroring the energy of her music. Once she's done sweating it out, it's time for breakfast. Taylor believes in the power of a healthy start to her day. Her morning meal typically includes a protein-rich choice like eggs, coupled with fresh fruits and whole grains. It's a balanced meal that fuels her busy day ahead. The workday for Taylor is a whirlwind of activities. Songwriting sessions, recording studio time, meetings, interviews, the list goes on. Despite her hectic schedule, she ensures to take short breaks to rejuvenate. These are moments she often uses to read a book or jot down lyrics for her next song. When lunchtime rolls around, she opts for lean proteins and vegetables, keeping her meals light yet nutritious. She understands the importance of good nutrition for her overall health and the energy she needs to keep going. As the sun starts to set, Taylor winds down her work and transitions into her evening routine. Dinner is another balanced meal, often featuring fish and a colorful medley of veggies. She's a firm believer in the mantra, "You are what you eat," and her vibrant glow is a testament to that. Before bedtime, Taylor dedicates time to self-care. She never forgets to remove her makeup and apply her skincare products. It's her way of showing love to her skin after a long day. And just before she hits the sack, she unwinds with some light reading or songwriting, her form of meditation that helps her relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. And that's how Taylor Swift makes the most of her day, every day. Taylor Swift doesn't just stumble upon good health and beauty. She has a set of habits that ensure she stays at her best. Now let's delve into her top 10 health habits, which play a crucial role in her radiant glow and overall well-being. First and foremost, hydration is key. Taylor is known to drink at least 10 glasses of water a day, maintaining her skin's elasticity and aiding digestion. Secondly, she swears by a balanced diet. From Monday to Friday, it's all about wholesome foods, lean proteins, leafy greens, and plenty of fruits. But she's not one to shy away from the occasional weekend indulgence, reminding us that balance is essential. Thirdly, regular exercise. Taylor loves running and cardio workouts to keep her energetic and in top form. She also hits the gym regularly, proving that consistency is key to maintaining a healthy physique. Moving on to number 4, Swift understands the importance of a good skincare routine. She doesn't skimp on moisturizer and is a firm believer in the power of a good face mask. Fifthly, she's a stickler for removing makeup before bedtime. Even after a late-night concert or event, she ensures her skin is clean and makeup-free before hitting the pillow. Habit number 6, sunscreen is her non-negotiable. Rain or shine, she protects her skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and promoting skin health. 7th, she swears by a good night's sleep. Taylor understands the restorative power of sleep and ensures she gets at least 8 hours every night. 8th, Swift doesn't underestimate the power of a good laugh. She believes that laughter is the best medicine, helping to reduce stress and boost mood. 9th, Taylor values her alone time. Whether it's reading a book or writing a song, she makes sure to carve out time for herself daily. Lastly, Swift is an advocate for regular checkups. She believes in being proactive about her health, ensuring that any potential issues are caught early. These habits aren't just for show. They contribute significantly to Taylor's glowing health and beauty. So there you have it, a peek into the healthy habits that help Taylor Swift maintain her stunning looks and incredible energy. Taylor Swift knows that what she eats plays a big role in how she looks and feels. A balanced diet, she believes, is key to maintaining her radiant glow and boundless energy. Now, let's dive into the top 5 foods that Taylor includes in her diet and the 5 she avoids. Starting with what's in, first on the list is yogurt. Taylor is a big fan of yogurt, especially Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, calcium, and probiotics, which are great for gut health. Next, we have whole grains. Whether it's whole grain bread for her morning toast or brown rice with dinner, Taylor knows the importance of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Thirdly, she loves her some sweet potatoes. Packed with vitamin A and fiber, they're a superfood in disguise. Fourth on the list is lean protein, particularly chicken and fish. These help muscle recovery and keep her feeling full. Lastly, Taylor loves her greens, especially spinach and kale. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for skin health. Now, let's talk about what's out. Taylor steers clear of processed foods. Think anything in a packet with a long list of ingredients you can't pronounce. These are often high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Next, she avoids sugary drinks. Instead of reaching for soda, she opts for water or green tea. Third on the list is fast food. While it might be tempting, Taylor knows that it's high in calories and low in nutrients. Fourth, she avoids excessive caffeine. While she enjoys a cup of coffee in the morning, she limits her intake to avoid jitters and sleep disturbances. Finally, she stays away from alcohol. While she might enjoy a glass of wine occasionally, she understands the importance of moderation. These dietary choices contribute to her overall health and beauty, helping her maintain her youthful glow and high energy levels. So if you're looking to glow like Taylor, you might want to take a page from her dietary book. Taylor Swift understands that health and beauty are more than just physical. She takes care of her mental health too. Now you might think, hey, she's a superstar. She's got it all. But even superstars need to take care of their mental health. And Taylor? She's got some strategies that work for her. First off, Taylor knows the importance of taking breaks. She's not just constantly on the move, churning out hits and touring the globe. She understands that the mind, like the body, needs rest. She takes time off to recharge, to refresh her creative juices, and to simply enjoy life outside the spotlight. This strategy, while seemingly simple, is a powerful one. It helps her maintain balance, avoid burnout, and keeps her at the top of her game. But what does Taylor do during these breaks? She pursues hobbies that she loves. Reading and songwriting are 2 of these. Reading allows her to escape into different worlds and perspectives, giving her mind a break from her own life. It's like a mini vacation for the brain. And songwriting, well, that's her form of therapy. It's her way of processing emotions, experiences, and thoughts. It's cathartic, therapeutic, and an outlet for her creativity. Taylor also practices mindfulness. She's spoken about how she tries to live in the moment, to be present and aware. This helps her manage stress and anxiety, and even boosts her creativity. It brings a sense of calm and focus to her hectic life. And lastly, she surrounds herself with a positive support network. Friends, family, loved ones, these are the people who lift her up, who she can lean on during tough times. They provide emotional support, love, and encouragement. They remind her of who she is, beyond the glitz and glam of stardom. Taylor's approach to mental health shows how holistic her view of health and beauty is. She knows that it's not just about looking good on the outside, but also about feeling good on the inside. And that, folks, is a lesson we could all learn from. Taylor Swift's health and beauty regimen is more than just a list of habits and diets. It's a lifestyle, a testament to the dedication and discipline she applies to every facet of her life. Her approach to health and wellness is balanced, a harmonious blend of physical and mental fortitude. She kicks off her day with a run, followed by a well-rounded session at the gym, encompassing both cardio and strength training. This dedication to exercise not only keeps her fit, but also boosts her energy levels, allowing her to deliver those electrifying performances we all love. Taylor's diet is an interesting mix of healthy choices during the week, with room for a little indulgence on the weekends. She's a firm believer in the importance of nourishing your body with wholesome foods, favoring a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And then there's her skincare routine, the secret behind her flawless complexion. She religiously removes makeup before bedtime, never skips sunscreen, follows a rigorous skincare routine. But it's not all about the physical. Taylor understands the importance of mental health. She takes regular breaks, indulges in hobbies like reading and songwriting, and ensures she has ample time to unwind and recharge. So if you're aiming for health and beauty like Taylor's, remember, it's about balance, discipline, and mindfulness. And that's Taylor Swift's secret to radiating health and beauty.